For today's recipe, I'm going to take a pressure cooker. I'm going to heat it before adding the oil. Once it's hot enough, I'm then going to add the oil to it. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm going to add some curry leaves to it. 2 red chillies, 3 green chillies, and 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. I'm then going to add 2 medium-sized onions to it. I'm now going to mix this well. It's preferable to be cooking these onions for at least 4 minutes on medium flame. The onions should become nice and soft. 4 minutes after cooking the onions well, I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to it. I'm going to mix this well with the onions until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. After about 30 seconds, once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste has gone away, I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and about half a teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm going to be mixing this really well now for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm then going to add 2 medium-sized tomatoes to it. I'm going to mix this well with the onions. As you can see here, I've mixed it really well with the onions. And after that, at this point of time, I'm going to add the salt as per taste. I'm going to mix this well now. After mixing it well, I'm going to cover it with a lid for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm then going to add half a glass of washed dal to it. I'm then going to add 2 glasses of water to it. After adding the water, you can then add some crushed kasuri methi here, which is optional. After that, just mix it once. After mixing it, you can just close the pressure cooker and wait for 5 whistles then. After 5 whistles, I'm now going to remove the lid of the pressure cooker. Just mix this well really once. At this point of time, you could also add some coriander leaves to garnish, and also you could add some lime juice to add to the tangy taste to it. At this point of time, if you did enjoy the recipe, I'd really appreciate it if you could click on the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much.